Today I live. The wise Master Jesus taught that the knowledge of truth makes us free. All books of spiritual wisdom have said that it is not the one who makes the mistake whom we should seek to destroy. It is the mistake itself that must be erased. This means that evil has no existence in itself and has no history. No matter what the negations of yesterday may have been, the affirmations of today rise triumphant and transcendent over them. Thus, all the evils of our yesterdays disappear into their native nothingness. If we behold beauty instead of ugliness, then beauty will appear. If we persist in seeing the true rather than the false, then that which is true will appear. Let us then cease weeping over the shortcomings and mistakes and evils of our yesterdays, and steadfastly beholding the face of the great and the divine reality, let us resolve to walk in the light wherein there is no darkness. Definitely, I know that every negative condition of the past is cleared away from my consciousness. I no longer think about it, see it, or believe in it. Nor do I believe that it has any effect whatsoever on my experience. Yesterday is not, tomorrow is not, but today, bright with hope and filled with promise, is mine. Today I live.